Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Scoops, man. Today I'm going to give y'all a little bit of advice on how not to completely F up your channel like I did. So I'm going to really need you guys' help in this one, man. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, man. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I've been doing some things trying to promote my channel and it's completely hurt me, man. It's completely hurt my channel so bad, man. So like I said, man, please give me that thumbs up and please subscribe, man, because I definitely stepped myself back with some of these promotions, man, and I want to give you guys a little bit of advice on what not to do, just because I'm learning right now, and you know, I'm about maybe like 7 or 8 months in of just going hard on YouTube, and I think I could be a lot further right now than I am because of some of the mistakes I've been making. Alright y'all, so the worst thing I was doing at first was this sub for sub. I think y'all know what I'm talking about, where you go to, you know, somebody on a Facebook group and they're trying to grow their subscribers. So hey man, you know, subscribe to my channel, I'm gonna subscribe to yours. Man, I thought that's pretty cool. I'm like, damn man, I can get like 30 subscribers every day like this, you know what I'm saying? Sit down here and do this. But what I figured out was, in the long run, that completely screwed me, man. I'm gonna say at least 500 of my subs that I have right now are sub for sub, and that's not saying a lot, man, because I think I'm only at like 1,500 or something like right now at this point. So yeah, it doesn't say a lot, man. So yeah, I really hurt myself with that, because what I realized doing the sub for sub thing is that in the YouTube algorithm right now, right, they're going by watch time, like not how many people are viewing, they're looking at watch time, and that's when YouTube promotes your video. Alright, so when you're doing sub for sub, people are looking at your video literally for 5 seconds. Alright, 5 seconds. They give you a thumbs up or whatever, and they like your video for 5 freaking seconds. So what happens is YouTube is like, man, this video must really suck, man, because they can't even watch it for more than 5 seconds. And so you know what that does? YouTube just throws your joint all the way on the back burner. Nobody's ever gonna see that video, man, unless you start, you know, sending it out to your friends and family and all that. That's just gonna piss them off anyway. You know what I'm saying? So look, man, stop that sub for sub, man. It don't do nothing. You have no chance to grow whatever video you're using to sub for sub. You're not gonna grow that video at all. YouTube's gonna say F that, man. Scratch it, yo. This one is crazy. Let's not show it to anybody, because yo, for real, why would you do that? Alright, here's another thing about sub for sub, right? These people that are subbing to your channel, most of them are gonna unsubscribe, because they're gonna get, you know, they're gonna be frustrated when your content starts popping up next to their stuff. They're gonna be like, oh, I didn't care about this dude, you know what I'm saying? Also, like, why would you share your stuff with somebody that doesn't care? You know what I'm saying? Like, for real, why would you do that? Hey, I know you came for a call, but I got them pit bulls though, it's good. So which actually brings me to the next mistake that I was making, that I'm going to warn you guys, you really should not do this. This is probably worse than sub for sub, man. Like, for real, I really effed myself with this one. But it's okay, I can still salvage it, and I can still make a comeback, and I ain't going to give up, man. It's just a mistake that I know that I did, and I can correct it like anything else, man. Somebody told me a long time ago, man, like, if you mess anything up, then it's able to be fixed, you know what I'm saying? So don't worry about making mistakes, and whatever, I made a mistake, I'm learning from it, and I'm just gonna move on, and I'm gonna save you guys from making the same mistake. Alright, so this mistake that I was making was huge, dog. It was huge, man. Like, I really hurt myself on this joint. But look, check it, man. Look, alright, so you guys probably know about the website Fiverr, right? You can go there and get freelancers to do things for really cheap. People in other countries and stuff like that, right? So through my journeys, probably in my sub for sub stuff, I ended up finding a promoter, because that's another thing you'll find there. Sub for sub, they see promoters they're preying on you over there, dog. They're man, they can't wait to see a sub for sub person. So they can be like, dog, I can grow your channel for you for dirt cheap, you know. So I ended up meeting up with a guy, one of these promoters, who happened to be from Fiverr, and he directed me over to the Fiverr platform. I'm like, man, I can do cheap promotion, man. It's so much better than sub for sub, you know what I mean? I can get. So I see people over there, they're like, yo, I can get you 1,000 views for $5. In the back of my head, I'm like, yo, that's awesome, because I'm just trying to get in front of people. I'm trying to share my beats with everybody, And yo, I'm just trying to make it big out here, man. That sounds great, you know what I'm saying? So, man, I had a relationship with this dude, man, for like a year, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I've only been really pushing for the last 8 months, but I'm probably going like 2 years on YouTube right now, even though I wasn't really pushing like that last year. So I met this dude. I was messing with him for like a year, man, maybe even a year and a half. You know what I'm saying? This man, I could give this guy $10 a week, or whenever I put out a video, give him $10. Oh my god, dog! I'm looking at the analytics, right? And the exact same thing. I got 4,000 views on a video, and the average watch time is 15 seconds. 15 seconds. I'm like, yo, I know my stuff ain't that bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real. Like, so I'm in here looking at the analytics, and what I realized is that 80% of my views were coming from India, Indonesia, Russia. Maybe Russia's okay. Alright, that's probably cool. But yo, I really don't think that people in these countries are that interested in my kind of content. And I'm not gonna lie, man, after I saw those analytics, I thought I was really blowing up in India, man. I actually traveled all the way over there, and we threw this big blowout party. I mean, it was dope, man. Here's some of the footage right here, man. Oh, this guy right here? Oh man, this dude. Oh, he is a fucking trip, man. What, we had such a blast. So I did a little experiment, you know what I'm saying? I put something out without any of that promotion. And this is after a long time, dog. You can look at my videos. I got 2,000 views, 1,000 views, 4,000 views on some of this stuff, man. It's fucking fake, man. It's fucking fake, yo. They got me. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say it was pointless, but I really hurt myself with those, and I could have just let it go naturally. You know what I mean? Instead of trying to boost my ego and try to get all these views and all that stuff. So I really just killed myself, man. So I did a little experiment. I put something out without any promotion or whatever. And I'm realizing that I get probably like around 100, 200 views naturally, and some of the stuff does a little bit better just because it's better content, and I can actually see what's going on. I can look at my analytics, and I can actually see what's happening. So, dog, be careful with Fiverr, man. I'm not saying not to use Fiverr, but what I'm saying is, man, when you get a promoter in there, make sure they can actually target your audience. You know what I'm saying? Because I was looking at the analytics. I'm like, yo, where's this person promoting my video, alright? They was promoting my video on a goddamn food channel. So this dude's out here, barbecue guy or whatever, some barbecue dude.
Hey Steve, what you got on the grill?
Oh, it's got a few steaks on there.
Oh, really? Oh, but what you put on there?
I marinated it for 2 days in YouTube advice.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Yo, they killing me with that, man. So be careful about your promotion, man. You gotta tell your promoter exactly where you want to promote your stuff to and who you want to promote it to. And if you ain't doing that, man, then just promote it yourself, man. You can use Facebook ads, you can use Google ads, right? Or you can just go all natural, you know what I'm saying? And I'll suggest just going all natural at this point, man, because for real, dog, if I just been going all natural the whole time, man, I'd probably be a lot further than I am right now. But it don't matter, man. Y'all know me, man. I'm gonna keep on pushing, man, and I'm gonna keep on coming back. Alright, y'all, so here's another thing, right? Yo, stop spamming all your family and friends with all these videos, man. Just stop doing it, man. Look, I stopped doing it. I was doing it for a while, too, and you know the only thing that happens, man, is people just stop paying attention to anything, man. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna go down and go on your phone and you're looking at all these people. I'm gonna share this, share that, share that, share that, share that. Nah, man, they don't care, man. Stop sharing it, man. Stop sharing your stuff to your friends, man. Promote to a specific demographic of people that want to hear what you're talking about, man. Because when you're doing this to your friends and family, man, they're gonna start ignoring you, man. Say you need help, man. Maybe you need help with something. Car broke down, and you're gonna hit them up, and they're gonna pick up the phone because they think you're gonna try to promote your video to them. For instance, this video is about tips on how not to hurt your channel like I have, right? If I'm going through my phone, there's not one person that I can think of that's actually growing a YouTube channel right now. Why would I send that to them? Right? It's the same thing like I said before, buying a car without wheels. You ain't gonna do that, you know what I'm saying? So yo, if you're looking for, so it's basically like you go to the car dealership, you're trying to buy a car, right? You're not trying to go to the car dealership to find a puppy, alright? Just saying. Hey, I know you're just looking for a Honda, but hey, shit, I got pit bull puppies though. What's up? Alright, so another thing that I've been doing wrong is making content for myself, right? I'm learning right now that anything I do and any video I make needs to be for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I need you guys, you know what I'm saying? And I want to help you guys too. So whatever I can do to help you guys, that's what I'm focused on doing, man. Helping you guys out and build your YouTube channel, help you make beats, help you in production, help you in music as an individual even, you know. So hey, look, man, that's about it, man. So this is the last tip right there. Make content that's for everybody, something that can be helpful to people, man. Something that can be helpful to people. And that's how you're gonna grow your channel, man. Just bring some value, you know what I'm saying? Not only to yourself, but to everybody else, man. Anyway, hey, man, thanks to everybody for watching, man. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, man, please hit the subscribe button, be a real subscriber. You know what I'm saying? Give me a like, comment, what do you think about this video? And hey, that's all I got, man. Peace.
That's replace my heart with a fuel pump. If you like mine, I like yours.